Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. You guys know what time it is. We're going to be talking about everything Solana. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Solana has been making massive strides. I'm sure you guys know, the year of 2024, without a doubt, in my opinion, belonged to Solana. It was a Solana cycle. And I do believe that this year it's going to be the same. And again, it's my own personal opinion, but we're going to highlight why I personally think that. Before we get into it, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So year started off on a really positive note. Solana up 10.2%, as you can see, over the last few days. Obviously today, we're seeing a little bit of a minor pullback for the broader market. We are going into Sunday. Obviously more manipulation than usual due to CME futures being closed over the weekends, but it has been a great time for Solana, and I think this month is going to be an amazing month, as well as February. And of course, like I said, I will explain why. Looking at the price, $215.22, down 0.4% in USD, down 0.1% in Bitcoin comparative, market cap at $104 million, and the 24-hour trading volume at about $3 billion. So far so good as far as the price of the native token is concerned. But yeah, let's take a look at this, guys. Solana top decentralized exchange Radium protocol surpasses Ethereum and Uniswap in 24-hour and 7-day fees generated, continuing its growing dominance in 2025. And what does this tell you besides, just the fact that, a decentralized platform has surpassed, the biggest, decentralized platform on Ethereum? This tells you where money is flowing. We discussed over the last, 12 to 14 months, if you follow my channel from the beginning, how migration was happening. A lot of developers, a lot of people that were Ethereum maxis switched to Solana, especially the ones that did it early on. Before we saw the bull market, last year start. And I know a lot of people are going to be confused about what I mean by bull market. Yes, 2024 was a bull market, without a doubt, and we saw Solana show us crazy amounts of gains. But pretty much what I'm trying to get at is, a lot of people are looking at Solana and realizing how much better it is, compared to Ethereum in terms of usability, in terms of network itself, and development aspect of it as well. And the meme coin, mania has just completely just changed the game, in my opinion, for Solana as an ecosystem. And now, even if you're looking at some of these projects, they're building on Sol because they see the value behind it. So it's not a surprise to me that you're seeing the Radium protocol actually outpacing Uniswap. Does not surprise me whatsoever, because a lot of money is being traded on Solana, and obviously coming onto the Solana, and again speaks for itself. Moving forward, Solana reclaims $9 billion in TVL. This is huge, and I think sometime in the very near future we're actually going to surpass the all-time high for TVL. But remember, this month is going to be huge. There's a lot of rumors flying around that we're potentially going to see an ETF get approved this month alone. Obviously, that is quite a bullish statement to be making, but obviously we need more confirmations for that to happen. But the Jupiter airdrop, huge liquidity injection moment. A lot of liquidity going to flow into Solana, and I think this is going to benefit a lot of SPL tokens. And a lot of obviously eyes are going to come on Solana, and a lot of other airdrops happening, which of course are going to benefit Sol, quite a bit. And meme coins, 99% of the meme coins, that are exploding the way they are launching on Solana. So you're noticing a pattern. Yes, there are, meme coins are launching on Ethereum as well, but you're seeing most of them launching on Sol, and it's just been amazing. And of course, as retail, wants to get exposure into either farming for airdrops or even obtaining some of these meme coins, remember, you need to be part of the Solana ecosystem. So there is a lot of things happening, and I do believe the year of 2025 is going to be amazing. And as far as the price itself goes, it's looking amazing, and I'm going to share why I think that. So of course, as far as the dominance is concerned, if you watch some of my other updates, you guys know that dominance has been falling down quite sharply, which of course is really nice to see. If you're looking at Bitcoin, on the other hand, Bitcoin has been on an absolute amazing tear over the last few days. We are obviously approaching some key resistance. If this key resistance is able to break out, I think we are going to reclaim back back above $100,000, which of course is amazing, to say the least. But with that said, let's take a look at what's happening with Solana. So right now, as of recording this update for you guys, Solana is currently battling it out with this key resistance, a major key resistance. I've spoken to you guys about this key resistance, for the longest time, and that is a resistance that's coming as a major hurdle for the price of for Solana. But I want you guys to kind of take a look at it from the hourly perspective. But before we do that, just a quick reminder: anyone that got in on Solana back on September 17th of 2023, those are the good days. It just feels like yesterday that those prices were something that we were discussing, and here we are, already more than 12 months from that price point. Literally feels like yesterday. And shout out to my viewers, my supporters that have been with me from that moment on. This year 2024 flew by. It's just insane and scary to think about it, how fast that year went by. But since then, if you held till now, you are up 11x, which is insane to think of, and that's after retracement. But let's shift our focus towards the hourly time frame and really analyze what we're looking at as far as Solana price is concerned. So you can see, of course, we did see Sol retest, the $175 back on December 20th, where December 20th was a shakeout for the broader market. As we were trying to break towards the upside, the 23.6 pip zone did come as a resistance, but of course, beginning of the year, the broader market picked up. Solana, reacted with the broader market, and we finally smashed past that key resistance, and we are back at that major key resistance at $2.17, which your boy has been talking about quite a bit. But if you got in around the $1.76 zone, you did see a 23% increase for Sol, and right now you're seeing a little bit of a battle for this key resistance. As you can see, multiple different retests around that range. Of course, one was yesterday and the day before. Now, we actually did wick above here a few hours ago, but never managed to close above here. So you want to see that close. If this close is happening, I think the price of Solana is about to go back up to the $227, and after that, all-time highs could even be in a conversation. So amazing price action right now. Doing exactly what you want to be seeing, and I think that next leg up, based off of what we're seeing happening for the Solana ecosystem, and the major liquidity that's coming towards Solana, is not just from Jupiter airdrop, but from a lot of other airdrops, is going to be a huge eye opener and a potential ETF that just changes the game, in my opinion, for Sol. So anyone that has been picking up Solana over the past few years, I think your time is coming, and I still believe Solana could reach some crazy prices, which we discussed in our last update. In the last year, in the updates and price predictions that I have made. So far, so good. Loving what I'm seeing. I love each and every one of you guys. Thank you for all your support, over the years. And Happy New Year to the Solana community. This is my first update of the year of 2025. I love each and every one of you guys. You guys have literally showed so much love, and cannot thank you enough for all your support. We'll see you later. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.